Hello, FlutterFlow developers, hello friends, and welcome to APIxFlow YouTube channel. My name is Andrei, and in this video we will talk about how we can protect generated PDF file with password when generating PDF in our FlutterFlow application. So I will show you what options we have when we generate PDF, and I will use APIxFlow to create a PDF file and easily protected with password. So I create a new project in APIxFlow. I select PDF as service I want to use, and let's name it PDF password demo. Create a new project, and here I will have some very simple content. I will create single field. I will name it name. It will be type string, and it will be an Andrew by default. So this is my data model, and here I will put something like hello name. This will be my template. So as you can see, we can preview it and we can see this PDF generated. So now we publish our project, and next what we need to do, we need to download open API definitions and then go to FlutterFlow and import our open API definitions. So let's import it, and we have our open API for generation of our PDF document imported into FlutterFlow. Now we copy this authorization header and we'll add it here for additional protection of our API. So we have single generate PDF action here, and at the moment, my model contains only name parameter, and I don't have any password protection. Just to check how it works, just to see what we can do when we generate PDF with APIxFlow. So here we will call API call, and we will call our demo API generate PDF. And what we can do, we can actually to do it more simple, we will go here and we will enter here some name, generate, and we have here our data model. So let's go to data types, and we will create PDF asset data model. From our JSON, we have this data model, and now we can parse our response as PDF asset save. So now when we click this button and we call our API call, we will have it parsed to a required data type. And we want to set name to widget state. I have name field on my page, and here we will call it API PDF result. And when our PDF generated, what I actually did, I already created on my page page state variable called PDF link. So now when I have my result from my action, I will update that field PDF link using my result of API PDF result as data type, data structure field, link. And I will have my link updated, my field PDF link updated. And what second button do? It actually do very simple action. When PDF link will be set, it launch that URL. So let's check how it works. I will run test here, and we will try to generate our PDF. So as you can see, my application loading, it loaded, and let's use for test some name here. We click generate PDF. PDF is generated. We have open PDF button, and now we have access to our PDF. Great. Let's go forward. Let's go forward and change a little bit our settings. So now we want to protect our document with password, and let's check what options we have. We have password button here, and we have options no password, which is by default now, but now static password, API parameter, and auto generate password. If you enable static password, we actually will be required to specify some password, for example, 12345, 12345, save, and now it's definitely not save password. Now we publish project, and all generated documents will require this password to be entered to have access to document. Let's check how it works now. So we set static password. We don't need to update anything in our project. We just will relaunch it. So application is loading again and takes some time. Okay, for example, we will use a new name here, generate PDF, open PDF. And as you can see now, we are prompted to enter password. So I actually use password, and here we go. My document is opened. I can copy content, I can print it, and etc. So this is how you can protect your application using static password. But if you want to send password, actually, you also can auto-generate password. In this case, if you auto-generate password, let's check this option. If you auto-generate password, remember to republish project in APIxFlow, you actually will receive that password in API result. As you can see here, we have our body in response. So here will be some password. As you can see, also static password is returned to us when it's set. And if we will generate PDF with new dynamic password, we will receive it too. So as you can see, we received some new dynamic password, and you can use that field when it returned to provide it to user, for example, and to allow access to your generated PDF file. So this will be full dynamic password. We will have. Okay, seems it don't allow me to copy it from here. Yeah, I can't copy it. Let's try just to remember. Before did 9. Yeah, I can't copy it. So anyway, you can dynamically generate password, and you can use it to show it one time at your screen for your user inside of your application. So next option that we have is actually to receive password as API parameter. Let's check this option. I will use API parameter, and in this case, we need to re-download and re-upload our OpenAPI definition or update our code if we actually use code to integrate our PDF generation. So in this case, I will re-upload my open API definition into my project, and I will require to do some extra actions. So when I re-upload my new file, it warns me that I will overwrite. Hope it worked. Yes, I want to save. I want to save. And now I have a requirement to select my data type here because I actually re-uploaded my API. And as you can see, now I have this PDF user password parameter here. And now I will go to my generate PDF action. And here we need to set generate PDF action again to fix problems, but I also need to set a new field that will allow us to send that parameter, password parameter. So let's create a new row here. I will provide some padding. Let's add text field. Text field. Here, let's name it password. You can use also password field. I will use simple text field. And now when we click generate PDF, we will set two variables. We will use our variable name and we will use variable from widget state password. And now when my PDF link will be generated, it will be protected by passwords that I sent into this field. So let's try, let's check how it will work. And now my application loaded, and let's test it. For example, I will enter my name and some test password, and I will generate my PDF and will open PDF. And now I need to enter password. I enter some random, it don't work, and I enter test password and it works. So this is how you can use different options related to your scenarios. You can use no password or static password, or use user entered password sent to API, or you can auto generate unique password if you need. I hope this video will help you create PDFs and enchant your application features with protected PDF generation. Only one warning I need to point here. Password will prevent your PDF to be previewed in application because you need to provide password to actually open your PDF. So in this case, how you can use it, you can generate one unprotected, for example, copy and send this preview if you need to preview it inside the application. But usually if you generate protected content, it's better to have it only protected. So it will be always protected by password. So I hope this will help you to solve your task related to PDF generation. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.